And we're back to learning Affinity here, day 60. Let me show you how you can create a half donut chart. You can start, for example, with the ellipse tool, hold shift. This locks the aspect ratio, so width and height has the same value. Let me start with the reddish color. Once you've got it, convert it to pi. And now go to whole radius. And usually 50% is what you need, but you can make that bigger or smaller depending on what you like. Once we've got it, we set the start angle to 0 and the end angle. If we go up, you can see it fills it bit by bit. We'll make that 180, so that would be for one data pair. Let's just keep that as the background. And what I do now is to press Ctrl C, Ctrl V to copy paste. So I've got it 2 times, just stacked on top of one another. I give it different fill colors. For the first one, I use the start angle of 0 again, and then I go to the end angle, let's say 45 degrees, and you can see how this has filled our first segment. Ctrl C, Ctrl V again. This time we need the start angle of 45, and then let's say we go to 89. I use a different fill again. You can also right click on it and use copy and paste here, but Ctrl C, Ctrl V is the shortcut for it. It's a bit quicker. Let me add one more segment here, maybe something greenish. And then I keep the red one that we've created at the start for our last segment. And this is how you can create these half donut charts in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.